स्टेजमा आमन्त्रण गर्दछु फुल कविता उहाँको नृत्य रहेको छ।
Thank you. Good afternoon, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, and honorable chairperson, respected chief guests, special guests, judges, teachers, parents, reporters, and all my lovely friends. First of all, I would like to thank RB Crown for organizing Glitter Prince and Glitter Fairy Converse Season 2 and giving me this opportunity to participate in this contest to show my ability in front of you. Now, I would like to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Sambhavi Sweti. I am 9 years old. I study in grade 4. My school name is Balakirani Secondary School. My contestant number is 23. My hobby is dancing. My aim is to be a doctor and teacher. Thank you for this opportunity to hear tonight and look forward and wonderful experiments. And last but not least, my message is thank you for supporting us. Thank you. मेरो कविताको शीर्षक छ फुल। फुल फुल्छ अनेक थरी, फैलाउँछ वासना। फुलले भन्छ हामीलाई फुल जस्तै हाँसन। प्रकृतिको अति सुन्दर उपहार हो फुल। फुल टिप्ने, च्यात्ने, फ्याँक्ने गर्नुहुन्न फुल। मेरो घरको आँगनमा रङ्गी फुल। फुलको रस चुस्न आउँछ माहुरीको हुल। सयपत्री लालीगुराँस फुलहरूको नाम हामी सबैले गर्नुपर्छ सधैँ असल काम।
त्यसै गरी कन्टेस्टेन्ट नम्बर 27 का